Hi guys, hope you're doing well. This is your girl Olive. Thank you so much for watching. Those that have been commenting, thank you so much. Those that have liked my videos, thank you so much. And those that have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And today I want to show you around the compound at my place where I stay. So I want to start with this. You can see this, the flower lovers. These are the roses. They just flowered. You can see they are very cute. They are those ones. You can see they are very cute. See? So this is, you can see the beds. They are not yet worked on. It's a dry season here, and if it is a dry season, we are going to get issues with water, then watering them. It's going to be hard for us. So that's why I decided to first leave out the beds, and I can plant the flowers maybe in the rainy season so that I don't get that hard time. In the rainy season, when you plant flowers, it is easy for you to maintain them because there is enough water and you're not going to have any problem with watering them. So these are the beds, you can see. These are the beds. These are the beds. So we have this side. This side, it is another bed here. Let me extend behind, and you see it's another bed here. It's as long as this. And I'm having issues with this bed. You can see these are the flowers of the plant. But when it is windy, you're going to find these flowers all over. You can see like here. And remember, these are the seeds. So you're going to find everywhere in the compound the seedlings of this plant. So I'm likely to change it, and I plant there another flower that is not going to give me hard time. You can see here, we just had to weed this side yesterday, but the whole place was full of the seedlings of this plant. You find this whole place is full of seedlings of this plant, and you have to weed every now and then, especially if it is in the rainy season. You're going to weed this place every after 2 to 3 days, because these can spread as fast as possible. So this is the view from this side. This is the view. Those are the steps that come this side. So we have this part. This is the underground tank. This is the underground tank. Those that have been watching my videos, you have seen how I open this. I open here to check the level of the water. Then also, you can see we have a pipe. This pipe, I just connect it on the tap. Let me first show you where the tap is. I use this pipe. I use this pipe from here, from this tap, and I water the plants here. Then it comes this side. It comes this side, and I get water from here. I put in the pump from here. So this is the underground tank that collects the water. If it is in a dry season, you find we have a lot of shortage of water, and I have to first make sure that I tap the water from the tap, and I fill this tank so that I don't have any issues with the water shortage. You can imagine we spent like 2 weeks without water. So if you never had this tank that is large enough, you would not have enough water. Yes, so that is it, guys. I'm going to show you maybe another part. This is the front view. This is the front view of the house. This is the front view. You can see this is the front view. Maybe I go that side and I show you very well. This is the front view. This is the shed. This is the shed. Let me show you from here. This is the shed. We've not yet cleaned. It is very early in the morning. This is the shed. You can see this is the shed. This is the shape of the house. That is my boy. Hey baby, say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. How are you? How are you? So guys, this is the front view. I'm going to show you from here. This is the front view. And that's where we hang our clothes there behind. That is a banana plantation for the neighbor. This is the front view of the house. Hopefully I'm getting it well. This is the front view of the house. The front view of the house. Yes, that is it. Maybe another part. I'm going to show you this part. We have this part. This is a parking area. This is a parking area. And I'm going to remove the car. You're going to see the whole of it. This is the front area. Those are our neighbors. This is our banana plantation. This is our banana plantation. And it is a dry season. We just have few matoke. So this is, guys, this is part of the outside sitting area. Carl, you wait, okay? This is part of it. So this is the bed in front of the sitting area, the outside kitchen. The outside kitchen, you can see. This is the whole place. The shoes are left here. As you're entering, the shoes are left here. Then you come like this. So this is the sitting area. This is a counter. This is a counter. I'm going to show you the details here. The stone area. This stone area was made by my husband, the one that put these stones. We've not yet worked on that place, but we shall work on it. Then this is the front view here. You can see. Also, car, move. So guys, this is the place where we eat from. This is the outside kitchen. This is the counter where we eat from. Yes, this is where we eat from. I'm going to show you here. These are the details. It's very early morning, we've not yet cleaned, but I had to first make this video. This area, this is the outside sink. This is where we wash our plates from. This is a drying area. This is where we dry our utensils. You can see. This is the area where we wash from. It's very big. It's as big as is enough. So this is the outside part where we wash the plates from. Maybe I can show you another part. This is the outside toilet. This is the outside toilet and bathroom. So we have the bathroom here, then the toilet that's not yet connected to the power, so we only use it during day. This is the area. I'm getting this view from this side. That is where we leave the shoes. Then this is where we sit when we are eating. So this is the way it looks like. You can see this is the way it looks like. Then this is where we. So this is the way it looks like. So I'm I'm going to drive away this car and I'm going to show you this part where I park, how it looks like. We have a banana plantation. This is our gate. We have a security light on the gate. Did I show you this, guys? This one is drying even because of the sun, though we try as hard as possible to water it. But I see this plant has started drying because of the dry season. Because in the wet season, it normally looks better. It looks better. I'm going to remove this car so that I can show you the parking area of the house. I use the reverse because the compound is very small. The compound is smaller, so I go with the reverse. Okay. I'm from parking, and so this is our banana plantation. Let's see. So this is the parking area. You come like this. This is the parking area. We have this part. Doesn't it look nice, guys? We have this part. Actually, there was grass here, but it dried up here in those spaces. Then now I can give you the full view of the compound, though it is small. This is the full view. This is the full view of the compound. This is the full view of the compound. This is the full view of the compound. Let me give you also this side, the full view. This is the full view. I think here it's better. Here it's better. Maybe I can show you from here. This is the view. Our banana that we are yet to have. Yeah, that is our banana. I think it will be grown within a week. And this is the perimeter wall. So right now I am heading to work. Baby, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, mommy. Go wash your face. Go wash your face. You wash your face? Go wash your face. He loves flowers. Go wash your face. Go wash your face. You go. Bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Say bye-bye. Don't want me to go? Don't want me to go? Guys, I'm going. Let me go and work. You go back. You go back. You go back. Come. You come. Come. I want to go to work. Please let me rush to work. This is it for today, and next time I will try and show you inside the house. But let me go to work. Let me go because I'm a bit late. So guys, right now I am heading to work. We are done with the compound tour. We are done with the compound tour and I had to rush to work. We have a very bad road. You can see. This is the road and this is where I stay. There is a lot of dust. You can see there is a lot of dust here, but it is like 1 kilometer from here, then we can go to a good road. Yes, just 1 kilometer and we leave this dust here. Let me show you here. We have a good view. You can see this is so nice. This is so nice. Let me first wash this glass so that we can have a clear view. I think we are good to go. We are good to go. And guys, I told you it is very close to the road, and here we go. Let's go to work. So maybe what I can say, when I am home, I'm really comfortable. When I am home, I'm really comfortable because it is a bit far from town. We have all the fresh air. The compound has a lot of fresh air because we are on a hill.